my dear students, my dear brothers and sisters, and my well-wishers. How are you, everybody? In this situation, COVID-19 connect me and us. Always you stay at home and safe. সবাই ভালো থাকবে আর বাড়িতে বসে বসে ম্যাথ প্র্যাকটিস করবে, ঠিক? ওকে, চলো কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 1 একেবারে ম্যাথ টপিকে ঢুকে গেছি। There are 3 questions, you see that. First question is, what will be the ratio between the perimeter of a square and the perimeter of another square made on its diagonal? What is the Bengali meaning of that question? What will be the ratio? Ratio means you know very well. Ratio means onupat. And perimeter of the square. Square means you know borgo khetro. So borgo khetrer perimeter porishima of the square, another square, onno ekta square. That perimeter is the ratio ber korte hobe, which made on its diagonal. Diagonal means corner. Look at the board. What is the solution method to this type of question? Solution. You know very well what is the shape of the square. It is a square, and you know all sides are same. The square, all sides are same. Therefore, you have to find the ratio of the perimeter of that square and you know the diagonal. This is the diagonal, means in Bengali meaning corner, and on that diagonal there is also a square, and you see that this square, perimeter of that square, you have to find that ratio. And you know very well perimeter of the square is 4 into side. Since side is A, therefore perimeter will be 4A. Therefore, required ratio equal to 4A, that is the perimeter of the square, and also you know the diagonal. Diagonal means L2. The formula you know very well, L2 or √2 into A. Therefore, the new square, which side is 4 into L2, that is 4 into that side, A√2. What is the ratio? A cancel, 4 cancel, that is 1 is to √2. 1 is to √2, that is there are no digitally options. You can say it will be when multiplied by √2 with both, then √2 is to 2. Therefore, this is the option which none of these here. None of this means যে digitally options গুলো রয়েছে সেখানে আমরা একটা আনসার দেখতে পাচ্ছি না, because আমরা j square originally 4 into side perimeter. What will be the ratio between the perimeter of a square and the perimeter of another square made on its diagonal? Diagonal means A√2. So 4 into side and 4 into that side. 4 cancel, A cancel, 1 is to √2, that is √2 is to 2. That is the final answer, and this is not digitally answer, that is none of this is the answer here. So first question already আমরা করে ফেলেছি. Now question number 2. Read with me. What is the question number 2? It takes twice as much time as B and thrice as much time as C to finish a piece of work, and working together they can finish the work in 2 days. In how many days we can do alone? যে কোশ্চেনটা আমরা ইংলিশে এতক্ষণ ধরে রিড করলাম, তোমরা দেখো, it takes twice as much time as B. B এর twice time নিচ্ছে, and thrice as much time at C এর thrice time নিচ্ছে to complete a piece of work. And question is, if they together can do in 2 days, in how many days we alone can do? So what is the solution method? Look, at first you have to find what is the time ratio of A, V and C. Time ratio. A takes twice as much time as V and thrice as much time as C. Look, A takes 6 units time, B takes 3 units time and C takes 2 units time because A takes twice time of V and thrice time of C. Assuming this type of ratio follow the or satisfy the question. 6, 3, 2. Here assume A is time. Therefore let A is time 6x, B is time 3x, C is time 2x, and they can do working together in 2 days. Therefore 1 by 6x, 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2x equal to 1 by 2. Now 6x is LCM, 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 1 by 2 and 2 3s are 6. Therefore x equal to 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6. So what is the time of V? And B's time you know 3x. Therefore B's time is 3x equal to 3 into here 2 3s are x, 3x equal to 6, 3 2s are x equal to 2. Therefore 3 2s are 6. So B's time is 6 days. So easily you have to find the ratio at first, then assume it A's time, B's time and C's times and proceed conventional method. 1 by 6x plus 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2x equal to 1 by 2, and after cancelling at first you have to find the value of x, then you have to find the B's time, that is 3x. 3 into 2 is 6 equal to 6 days. Already question number 2 done. Another question number 3. Look at the boards. Read with me. A man bought a horse and a carriage for rupees 500. A man at a carriage and a horse purchase করেছে rupees 500 and sold the horse at a gain of 20% and the carriage at a loss of 10%. Thus gaining 2% on the whole. For how much was the horse bought? A question tab. Easily 1 second allegation method, that is link up method, আমরা কত সহজে সলভ করতে পারি দেখো। And VVI for the exam. What is the method of allegation? Look, there is a horse and a carriage. H for horse, C for carriage, and see that at a horse gain 20%, gain mean plus 20, and a loss of 10%, that is minus 10, and as a whole 2% gain on the outlay 2, and this is the allegation method taking diagonally difference, and this difference minus 10 and 2 difference is 12, and 20 and 2 difference is 18. Therefore what is the ratio? It becomes, after cancelling by 6, it is 2:3. So ratio becomes 2:3, and that ratio is only cost price ratio of the horse and carriage. And what is the question? Find how much was the horse bought. Horse bought means CP of horse, that is cost price of horse. You know, in left hand side horse it is ratio 2:3, therefore 2 by 5 into 500 equal to rupees 200. Very simple, but VVI for you this type of question. আমরা যে মেথড ইউজ করলাম, যে মেথডটার নাম হচ্ছে alligation, mixture and alligation method. তো সেই মেথডে within 1 second you can find the answer easily. That is the answer. And which option is correct? You see that cost price of horse is 200 in option C. Here VS time for the second question 6 days, that is option V. Very simple, but VVI. আমরা এই করতে করতে আমরা next question discuss করব. তো already 3 questions দেখার পর question number 4. What is the question number 4? Look, you have to find question number 4. 81 to the power minus 2 to the power minus 2. What is the value? Equal to jikkasa chinno, interrogative sign. There are 4 options, A, B, C, D. First option is 3, second option is 1/3, last option is 81 to the power 4 and 1 by 81 to the power 4. There are 4 options. What is the method to solve this type of question? Look the question, and this is the problem of indices. Indices, you know, Bangla bole shuchok. How to solve this type of question? Look at the board. There is a rule, x to the power minus m, that is 1 by x to the power m. This rule will be applicable here. Then solution method. Look, at first this type of question you have to calculate or solve from top to bottom. Therefore at first you have to find this minus 2 is the power of minus 2. Therefore you have to write next line 81 to the power 1 by minus 2 to the power 2 from this method. Okay, equal to 81 to the power minus 2 whole square, that is 4. 81 to the power 1 upon 4. And 81 you know very well, 3 to the power 4 to the power 1 upon 4. And also there is a rule, a to the power m whole to the power n equal to a to the power mn. Another rule you have to use there. This will be multiplied mn. For that case this 4 will be cancelled. 4 into 1 by 4, 4 cancel, that is 3 to the power 1 equal to 3. Which option is correct there? Option A. First option is correct. Question number 5. Another question. Look, if perimeter of semicircle is 36 centimeter, find the diameter of the circle. If perimeter of semicircle is 36 centimeter, find the diameter of the circle. Look, what is the method? You know the semicircle, that is the a problem of mensuration, and you know very well what is the formula of mensuration. Semicircle you know very well, that is the half circle, that is semicircle, বাংলায় বলে অর্ধবৃত্ত, and formula of perimeter of semicircle is pi r plus 2r. Pi r plus 2r is the perimeter of semicircle, and that given is 36. So take common r and put value of pi is 22/7 plus 2 equal to 36. Then r into 14 plus this 36/7 equal to 36. After cancelling 36, r equal to 7. Then you have to find what is the diameter of the circle, and diameter means twice of radius. 2r equal to 2 into 7 equal to 14 centimeter. This is the diameter of the circle or semicircle. দেখতে দেখতে আমরা 5 কোশ্চেন সলভ করে ফেললাম। তোমরা দেখলে various type of maths easily আমরা সলভ করতে পারি, but at first you have to know all formulas, all process, all shortcut method, all system of shortcut method, and tricky questions, how to calculate, how to solve in 1 second. You have to know very well at first, and if you think you can, okay, এটা তোমরা চিন্তা করলে তোমরা ঠিক পারবে এবং পারতেই হবে। ওকে, মনে রাখবে, তোমরা প্র্যাকটিস করো। এখন প্রচুর সময় পাচ্ছ চুপচাপ গৃহবন্দী অবস্থায় বাড়ির মধ্যে বসে শুধুই ম্যাথস, জিআই, ইংলিশ এন্ড ইটিসি সব সাবজেক্ট গুলোকে বারবার করার সুযোগ পাচ্ছ। অন্যান্য কিছু নেই, এটা বড় সুযোগ তোমাদের কাছে। বেশি করে পড়ো, ওকে? আর খুব ভালো থাকবে, বাড়ির বাইরে কিন্তু একদম বেরোবে না। ওকে, বাই।